Hey, you got a new gadget. About time, huh? Wanna see what it is? Or maybe you know already. Oh, I didn't see it yet. I always wanted one. You, home geek. I'm a home geek. Get it? Ooh, the box. There's a box in there. Look at that. You like it? Gonna grind some meat. Let's open it up again. Think there's box in here? Ooh. I know what these are. Oh, look. Got all these tips. Coarse and fine. I gotta learn about it, so hang on. Let's look at it. Nice. Stainless steel. Ooh. Well, this is the thing I was thinking of for sausages. Hang on, relax. I didn't open it. I didn't figure it out yet, but I'm gonna. So excited. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Oh, let me see. 1200 watts, 1.68 horsepower. Woo! All right. I'm gonna, where's the instructions? What's wrong with me? I don't need no stinking instructions, do I? There they are. Simple instructions. That's what I like. Simple. Okay. All right, this is pretty simple. If you read the directions, push that in, turn this on an angle, push it in tight so it's solid. See, that's solid. Here you can change your ends for what you want to make. Grind up meat, different sizes, or real fine. Meat or whatever else you want to grind. This is what I'm interested in here. I think this is for sausage, right? Remember one time we made bologna with a different machine? That's gonna be nice. Put your meat in there. Oh, don't forget this. Look at this. See, remember? Yeah. That's nice. Put your bunch of grind meat up there, or chunks of fat, whatever you got. Push it in. Come out into a casing or whatever you got. There's also a kibbe attachment. This is to make like hollow sausages. Look that up. You can put minced meat in there, or it comes out like a hollow sausage. I never saw that or heard of that, but that's another attachment you get here. Unscrew that, put that in there, and it comes out like that. That's gonna be fun. What's the first thing we're gonna make with this? Bacon? We grind up some bacon, make a bacon burger. That's what I want to do. Let me plug it in and listen to it once. This is from Home Geek, remember? It's nice. I always wanted one of these. I'm gonna plug it in. I just want to hear it, that's all. I expect it to make some noise. That's not bad. Let's see, there's two switches. Making sausage, all right. Before starting, assemble sausage attachment as follows. Wow. Reverse function in case it gets jammed. That's handy. You know, you put too much in there. On. Reverse. Nice. I like it. And then to clean it, take it apart like this. I'll learn more, you know, it's the first time. Put your tip on there, whatever you want to cook today. Whatever you want to use. And you're ready to go again. It goes right back on easy like that. Let's see. Push that button.
No, it goes like this.
Oh, that's right. That's right, it goes out. It's Katie. Katie's here.
Hi guys.
From the Mike and Katie show. Remember Katie? Check her channel out, The Gamers.
Yeah.
Hey, guest star. Thank you. I don't know, because I saw it this way, you saw it that way. All right, but it's easy, see? All right, thanks, Katie. Here we go. Gonna be grinding up some meat, making something good to eat. All right. Check out Home Geek. I'll put a link down there. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna make something good. Gotta figure it out. Figure out what I'm gonna make. All right, thanks for stopping by. See ya.